And you'll be wearing the captain's armband tomorrow, Harry. First of all, the conversation with Craig Bellamy, how did that go when he told you it was going to be you?
So it wasn't a big thing. I was just getting my breakfast this morning and he just pulled me to one side and said, like, you'll lead the team out tomorrow. And
you're having your coffee then.
Yeah. So it wasn't a big thing. He kept it quite quick, but obviously delighted, over the moon. Something I've dreamt about for a long time. So it'll be an amazing moment for me tomorrow to lead the boys out in a massive game, and something I'm really looking forward to.
Have you thought about what you're going to be telling your teammates before kick-off?
No, I've not thought that far ahead yet, but I've not been captain at senior level before, but I did it quite a lot in the youth teams. So I'll have a think about that tonight. But I think all the boys know what we have to do. It won't take a lot of words from me before the game to get them up for it, because we all know what's at stake, and we'll all be up for it.